Right, we got a good one for you today. Today we're going to be checking out landbot. It's a drag and drop, no coding chatbot building software. We're going to be making a lead generating bot today. Let's get into it. But before we really get into it, I just want to take the time to thank you guys for stumbling onto my channel. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also want to give attention to today's videos, AdCreative.Ai, allowing businesses to deliver fresh contents better, smarter, faster than their competitors without the high cost of ad development team. Set it up once, it'll create forever. With one click, it'll tell your story your way. It's your brand. You just add a little bit of rocket fuel to your marketing campaigns. Scan the QR code or click the link in the descriptions and start your 7-day free trial today. But for those of you that choose to take action today, I have something extra special for you. You have plenty of package options so you can get in where you fit in. When taking action today, you'll be able to take advantage of $500 in free Google ad credits. AdCreative.Ai is that game-changing edge you've been looking for. All right. Now that that's out the way, like I said, today we're going to be working with landbot. We're going to be making a lead generating bot, the money making bot. All right. So we're going to have to do it on our web. That's where we're going to be embedding it today. I like to do custom build. We're going to do custom. All right. They also have a template for it, for the form bot too. So you could also do that. But today we're going to be doing a custom bot. So this is your flow chart. All right. This is where you want to start. This is where all the magic happens. Let me see. The first one we're going to be putting up, we're going to put up a button block. Okay. A button block. All right. Now, when that opens up, you're going to open up and it's going to be your welcome block. Okay. Your first block is always going to be your welcome block. This is the first thing people see when they see your bot. So you want to make this message that people see something nice, something good, something that catch their attention, and make them want to ask a question, make them want to converse with the bot. Okay. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a little personal. So now you want to ask their name. Okay. So now the bot's going to know who it's talking to every single time they can refer to the person's name, or every time you allow it to refer to the person's name. All right. And this is going to be saved into the name variable. All right. We're going to make a whole video on variables next time. All right. After that, now the bot has your name. So you want to send a message. You want to say, hi, so-and-so, how can I help you today? Or what is your question? What do you need me to do? Can I book a flight for you? Right? Anything like that. Whatever you're doing on your site, that's what this next one's going to help you do. Okay. All right. So now bot knows your name. You actually client their name. Now they're saying their name. How could I help you? All right. So now the next one is the power block. This is the king of all blocks. This is the king. Why is it the king? Because this is your money making block. It does everything in one block. All right. It's going to gather your client's information. It's going to do your frequently asked questions, everything in one block. All right. Now in this space right here, this is where you want to put all your company information, just like the frequently asked question block. Same thing, put everything in that block. All right. The next one, they have some pre-generated questions to qualify your client. If they're able to make decisions, are they the buyer when it's finally time to buy? And what time frame would they like to have this done? When do they want to have it done? Okay, so you could have these on, or you could totally come up and do your own questions. All right, where it says add questions, you could make up your own questions and turn these off, and the bot would just ask your questions. All right, for this purpose, we're going to leave them on. All right, and we're going to, let's see here. What does it say? Time. Yeah, normally on mine, because I'm doing booking, I like to turn that off and do a custom question. So I like to say, how long would you like your booking to be? All right. But for right now, we're going to leave that on. Like I said, you can make your own custom questions up, or just stick with the template questions that they already have. Now, one thing I did notice is the way the bot asks the questions on these template ones. It's kind of hard to change it up. Actually, you can't change it up. All right. You're just kind of stuck. That's the only thing you can't customize here. Okay. Here, we're going to start training the bot. How do you want it to act? You're going to give it a little bit of personality. Okay. That is how you want to close it out. Just going to do a custom close or automatic close out. All right. And again, so now I've put my information in, and in here, you want to take a little time to kind of organize your information, put bullet points, put numbers next to it, put bold print, some titles that you want to have, like maybe the next section, make it a bold print, especially for your links. You could put links in here too. Again, take a little extra time to make it look nice. However it looks in here is how the bot is going to spit it back out. So take a little extra time. Next section is the opener. This block can have a special welcome message or a custom welcome message. So you can have another custom message. For this section, I want to do something really, really quick, really simple. So I'm just going to say, hi, how can I assist you today? Okay. I'm probably going to put the name variable in there. So it's going to say their name again, obviously. So it's going to say, hi, such and such, how can I assist you today? Right? So like I said, I'm keeping it simple for today. Just going to say, how can I assist you? The next one is, how do you want to close it out? I'm just going to leave it as an automatic farewell. Then we have our bot's name is Jane again. And here's where you can get a little creative. This is where you train your bot. You put some prompts into it, how you want it to act, what type of attitude it's going to have. Is it going to be friendly? Is it going to be aggressive salesman? Is it going to be laid back salesman? You know, what type of salesman are you? How is it going to collect this information, right? So I always want to make sure it gives like short answers to the point, and be friendly, courteous, and say their name at the end of every response, right? And then here you could put the email, because it's going to email you all this information that the client has put in. So put an email that you want all this information to go to, okay? This is a fake email. Trust me, it's fake. Don't email it. It's fake. All right. So this is where you have all your emails sent to that the bot is going to send you from this particular block. All right. Up here, you want to do a quick paragraph about your company. What do you do? It could be a tagline. Just, you know, what do you do? All right. And then once you're done, you just click apply, and all this information is going to get fed into the bot into one big king block. Now we can test our bot. We're done. This is it. We're done. You've made a chatbot. All right. You can actually take this chatbot and launch it onto your website now or whenever, but you're done. All right. All we're doing is just testing it, seeing the answers that come out. All right. And now we're seeing how it answers us. All right. See how personal it is. It adds a little extra stuff in there. We get your phone number. Are you the right person to make decisions? Right. See, it's checking to make sure we are the person to make decisions. It is what is it called? Authority, right? I don't know. I forget right now. My bad. Making sure we're the authorized persons to make charges. All right. There we go. And even if it gets off task with the question, it gets right back on task. All right. This is your money making block. All right. One block to beat everything. All right. I told it exactly what I wanted. It repeated it. And then it's going to say, okay, you're going to be emailed shortly with all this information to confirm it. All right. So searching for the right information. All right. It's confirming what I want. I like that. Always confirm what the client wants so that you know you have the right answer. All right. And the cool thing about it is it can also add up figures for you. Like right here, I had it add up a figure. Okay. I said, how much would it cost for me to book the studio for what was it, 6 hours? Okay. But as long as in your questionnaire, your frequently asked questions, that you have prices for your certain things, it will refer back to that, and it will add up, and it will give your client an actual number of a cost. So it's adding things up for you, which is totally unexpected, but it does it. All right. All right. So here I'm having a little bit of fun with the bot. I'm trying to throw it off. Because remember how I said it has those qualifying questions so they can send me quality leads, all right? Well, it wants to ask those questions in order all the time, every single time. So what I did was I abruptly asked a different question in between it trying to accomplish its goals. And what I like about it is that it answered my question very calmly, very politely, answered my question, and then immediately got right back on the topic. Like it said, okay, so can I have that phone number now so that I can assist you further? All right. Cool. Well, I just wanted to point that out. Now you're looking at is how the emails come to you. All right. Now, I haven't figured out quite yet how to actually customize the emails that the bot actually sends me. I've signed up with the SendGrid and I've been able to customize those emails, but the ones that the actual bot sends out to people or to me, I have not been able to figure out how to customize it. Maybe you guys can, maybe you're already using it. Hit me in the comments, let me know. All right, till next time, peace. Final thoughts. Go with your first thoughts. Like, yeah, that someone is cheating on you. Final thoughts. Let me say it again. Go with your first thoughts.
Welcome to Mainstream Entertainment, located in the heart of Hollywood, just minutes from the 101 freeway and walking distance from subways. Features an 11-foot overhead lighting rig and industry-quality gear. Mainstream Entertainment is your go-to soundstage and photography studio, with 20-foot high ceilings, white cyc walls, portable for any production big or small. Everything is all-inclusive. Mainstream Entertainment. Join us today, book now, or request a walkthrough, and make your mark in this new world of content creators.